First, start by subscribing. Bitcoin cryptography structure. Bitcoin
Based on
is a
blockchain
decentralized
technology.
digital currency, and its security and reliability are maintained by a complex cryptographic structure. This architecture primarily involves public key cryptography, hash functions, and distributed ledger technology. Below we will explain Bitcoin's cryptographic structure in detail. 1. Public key cryptography. Bitcoin uses public key cryptography to protect users' identities and ensure the security of transactions. This method consists of two keys: a public key and a private key. Public key, the key that the user can reveal to others, which acts as the Bitcoin address. Other users can use this public key to send you Bitcoins. Private key, a key that must be kept secret, proving the user's authority to own Bitcoins. Private keys are used to sign Bitcoin transactions, proving that the user actually owns those Bitcoins. These two keys are mathematically linked, and signatures generated using the private key can be verified with the public key. This structure allows Bitcoin users to manage their assets safely. 2. Hash function. Bitcoin uses a hash function, SHA-256 secure hash algorithm, 256-bit, to maintain the integrity of the blockchain. A hash function converts an input value of arbitrary length into a hash value of fixed length. This process has the following characteristics. One way, it is easy to convert an input value into a hash value, but it is impossible to reconstruct the original input value from the hash value. Collision resistance. It is very difficult for two different inputs to produce the same hash value. Big changes for small changes. Even a small change in input produces a completely different hash value. These properties allow Bitcoin to verify the integrity of each block in the blockchain. In a blockchain, each block contains the hash value of the previous block. The hash values of all subsequent blocks must also change. This makes it extremely difficult to tamper with the blockchain. 3. Blockchain structure. Bitcoin operates based on a distributed ledger technology called blockchain. A blockchain is made up of multiple blocks, each of which contains transaction data. The structure of the blockchain is as follows. Each block contains transaction data, a hash of the previous block, and the proof of work result. This information ensures the integrity of the block and maintains connectivity in the blockchain. Chain blocks are linked together. Each block contains the hash of the previous block. This connectivity ensures that every transaction record on the blockchain is permanently stored. Distributed ledger. Bitcoin is stored distributed across all users around the world without a central server. All users share the same blockchain, which ensures the reliability of transactions. 4. Signing and verification of transactions. Bitcoin transactions are made through the following process. Create a transaction. When a user wants to send Bitcoin, he writes a message containing the transaction information. This information includes the amount of Bitcoin to be sent, the sender's public key, and the recipient's public key. Signing. The sender signs the transaction using his or her private key. This signature ensures the validity of the transaction and proves that the sender actually owns the Bitcoins. Transmit. The signed transaction is transmitted to the network. Nodes receive this transaction and verify its validity. Block creation. Valid transactions are included in a block, and a new block is created. This process is done through the proof of work mechanism and is added to the blockchain. 5. Proof of work. Bitcoin uses a consensus algorithm called proof of work to add new blocks to the blockchain. This process works as follows. Mining. To create a block, miners must solve complex mathematical problems. This problem is generated using the SHA-256 hash function. Competition. Multiple miners attempt to solve a problem simultaneously, and the first miner to solve the problem gets the right to create a new block. Reward. When a miner successfully creates a block, new Bitcoins are issued as a reward. The proof of work mechanism enhances the security of the blockchain and provides safety in that attacking the network requires massive computational power. Conclusion: Bitcoin's architecture
Cryptographic.
consists of public key cryptography, hash functions, blockchain technology, transaction signing and verification. This complex structure plays a vital role in maintaining Bitcoin's security and reliability. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It is an innovative system that enables secure transactions on a decentralized network. It is expected that this structure will continue to evolve along with the technological advancements of Bitcoin in the future. If you subscribe, I will do my best.